بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم صلی علی سیدنا و مولانا محمد وعلی آلہ وصحبہ وبارک وسلم۔ السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ عن انس بن مالک رضی اللہ تعالی عنہ قال قال رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم شفاعتی لأہل الکبائر من امتی۔ رواہ ابو داود و ترمذی و ابن ماجہ۔ امام ترمذی رواہ ترمذی ھذا حدیث صحیح۔ رواہ الحاکم ھذا حدیث صحیح علی شرط الشیخین۔ According to Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, said, my intercession is for the members of my ummah. My intercession is for the members of my ummah who commit enmities, who commit enmities. What is the meaning of enmities? Biggest sins, crimes, mistakes, errors, mischiefs, malpractices, malusages, maltraditions. So each and every sinful, every transgressor, oppressor, barbarous, cruel, every transgressor, sinful, and the tarnished take advantage of the intercession of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, on the day of judgment. Every sinful will be every sinful, every transgressor, every tarnished will benefit from the intercession of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, on the day of judgment, doomsday, instruction day. So at the end, in a nutshell, we should love the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We should respect the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We should act upon the teachings of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We should adopt the actions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We should utilize the orders and commandments of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in our life, in our routine daily matters and affairs of life. We should recite a lot of salutation, greetings on the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, daily. If we recite and intone a lot of salutations and greetings on the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, daily, then we will be deserved for the greatest, matchless intercession of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, on the resurrection day. It means the day of judgment. So may Allah bless you, may live you long. So I pray to Allah, O our Allah, you are creator of all creatures, you are the master of all universes, you are well-wisher of each and every person living in this world, whether he is Muslim or not. So O our Allah, please give us the love of your beloved O my Lord, O Allah, dignified Almighty, give us the love of your beloved, of your holy prophet, peace be upon him, your apostle, your prophet, your beloved Muhammad, peace be upon him. Then, so that our hearts, minds, ideologies, concepts, notions, perceptions, conceptions, philosophies will be lighted, illuminated with the instrumentality of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.